Hello students, my name is Shovik, your instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are mainly focusing on the CBSE curriculum for computer science. And before we jump to the tutorial videos, let's have a look what we have in our syllabus for class 12. So the subject code is 083 Computer Science New, which is based on Python. Okay. Now let's take a look of the marks distribution. First one is programming and computational thinking part 2, which is about 30 marks. Next one is computer networks 15, data management 15, society, law and ethics 10 marks, and last practicals 30 marks. Okay, now this 30 marks is very crucial for your examination, and if you ask me, then I will tell you one thing. I can tell you one thing, that having these marks in your pocket is the easiest thing. I mean, data management is the easiest of all these syllabus. Okay, now unit 1 is programming and computational thinking. First one is revision of the basics of Python. So in this unit we'll revise the string, list, tuple, dictionary, sorting techniques, bubble sort and insertion sort, which we have already learned in our 11th syllabus. Okay, next one is functions. Now this is the new thing which you will learn meantime. Functions, built-in functions, modules, how function returns a value, passing arrays using a function, scope of variables, like that, using main functions. Okay, main functions like C and C++. Here in Python we can also use the main function and recursion. Next one is file handling. Here we'll learn opening and closing files, how to open, how to close a file, how to read one particular file, and how to manipulate that file using Python libraries. Okay, next one is data structure in Python, which is a very interesting thing, I think. First one is stack, creating a stack, adding elements into a stack, checking it for empty stack, like that, deleting an element from a stack. Okay, queue, implementation of queue as list, creating a queue using list, inserting an element into a queue, deleting elements from a queue like stack. Okay, then data visualization using pyplot. Okay, here this is very interesting. We will create some awesome pie chart, a line plot type of things, bar plot, using Python libraries here. Achha. Next unit is computer networks. Here firstly we will discuss computer network, brief overview, advantage of computer networks and like that, structure of a network, then types of networks, PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN, wired and wireless networks, client server architecture, various types of architectures, which is one is client server and the next one is peer to peer. New technologies like cloud computing, internet of things, IoT, which is a very warning topic nowadays, network devices, network interface card, NIC, hub, switch, repeater, gateway, router, all of these things are here. Network stack, modulation, this is a new thing, amplitude modulation and frequency modulation, collision in wireless network, error checking, MAC, what is MAC, routing, IP addresses, the difference between V4 and V6, what is the difference between IPv4 and V6, DNS, all these things are here. Basic network tools, ping, who is speed test, all these things, application layers like HTTP, working of electronic mail, email. Okay. Then network applications like FTP, SMTP, POP, IM, AP. And the third unit is data management. In here we will learn Django, and we'll use the get and post request using Django. uh, Meanwhile, I will teach you what is the get and post request. That is basically a triggering response. You will The computer actually gets from your action. Okay. If you click on a button, it will either a get or a post request, and that depends on you whether you use a get or post. And there is a basic difference between get and post request. I will teach you that. SQL commands like aggregation functions, having group by, order by, you have already learned in your 11. And last unit 4 is society law and ethics. Here we'll learn intellectual property rights, digital right management and licensing, all that, privacy laws, fraud, cybercrime, phishing, IT Act, technology and society understanding of the basic issues, cultural changes, like that, e-waste management. Okay. Identity theft, gender and disability issues while teaching and using computers, all of these things. Now in your practical, you will get one Python program of 7 marks. Okay. And another Python program using SQL queries, that is here using Django, of 3 marks. Next one is your report file, that consists 7 marks. Viva based on your report file is 2 marks. Project is 8 marks, and Viva based on your project is 3 marks. Total 30 marks. That is all about your syllabus for class 12 CBSE Computer Science, code 083. Let's go for the next video. Take care. Thank you.